Hello everyone, welcome back to our scenes. As promised, in today's video, we will be discussing the very last part where you are supposed to review what you have understood from the chapter Friction, class 8 science. Okay, so let's finish this quickly and then we are done with the friction chapter and we can easily move on to the next chapter. So the very first question, what is frictional force? We need to write the definition. The force that opposes the relative motion between two surfaces of object when they come in contact is friction. Second one, which type of force helps you to write on the blackboard? Definitely answer is friction force. Push the book on the table and reason it why it stops moving after a while. So the book stops moving after a while. Definitely that is due to friction. Fourth one, the matchbox rough top is struck with the fire stick, the fire is ignited. Why? When two rough surfaces are rubbed with each other, heat is generated due to friction causing ignition. We can mention here about the red phosphorus, but since it is for the 8th standard students and here we are mainly talking about the friction and not the chemical composition here, and that is the reason why I have avoided myself from mentioning it. Very quickly, let's move on to the next question. Fifth one, which one of these is easier to hold? A pot or a glass? Why? Give reason. An earthen pot is easier to hold due to several pores on its surface, which will cause more friction. The glass surface is smooth and hence will be slippery. Sixth question. Friction is dangerous in some occasions. It's supposed to be occasions they have, misspelled it. Explain with an example. Friction can cause wear and tear, fire, etc., which is highly undesirable as well as dangerous. For example, friction between branches and leaves of tree result in forest fires. Seventh question. Give two applications of frictional increase and decrease. So for increase, rough tire of vehicles, spikes on shoes of a player, and decrease, applying grease or oil for lubrication in machine parts and using borax powder on carom board. Eighth question, football players wear shoes with spikes. Why? Give reason. Football players wear shoes with spikes to increase friction force, which helps in reducing the chance of slipping or skidding while playing. Next, ninth question. Grease applied on the moving parts of the machine. Why? We need to mention the reason. Because grease helps in reducing friction between the moving parts of the machine due to its lubricating nature. Hence, grease is applied to moving machine parts. So here our friction chapter ends, and further, in our next video, we'll be discussing some other chapter from class 8 science. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.